This is the Foredom H10 handpiece. It's got a little knurled pencil tip. It's extra long, so it rests on your wrist down the length of your hand, so you get a lot of control out of it, much more so than with a smaller handpiece. So this is a 28. You can compare the size like that. They do have a duplex version. If you find this to be a little annoying, though, I think it works fine. It works fine for me. You just have to adjust how you hold the handpiece. So you can hold it a bunch of different ways. You can hold it like this, you know, from the side for grinding stuff, and then you do the modified pencil grip. Just do whatever works for you. Just keep in mind this is extra long, and you may or may not like that. I think it's quite nice. The quick change is way out of the way, and it works plenty good. You just have to make sure you're not running it while you switch. You turn it back all the way, the bit releases, and you can put it back. Very, very easy to change. Make sure all your bits are 3/32 though, because you can't replace the collet with a different size. You can change the collet. It's not too hard to do. So there's two parts where this unscrews here. You've got this seam here, and that will unscrew. And then you've also got up in the front here. I actually leave it a bit loose because you do have to maintain this by oiling it, and if this is too tight, this becomes a total pain in the ass to get apart. Same with this. So you just use nylon jaws, wrench, and then turn this. This will come off. You can take apart the front and clean it and adjust the collet, and then you can take apart the main body here. You can take off this, and the whole thing will come apart. And you have to use this as their oil, and it's a few bucks. It'll last you forever. Every once in a while you got to put a drop of oil on some spots in here just to keep it running well and clean it out. But very nice handpiece. If you're looking for a good quick release with a lot of accuracy, this is definitely the one to get. There are some other alternatives, and I have the Technique, which I use with 1/8 bits, though the main problem with the Technique is that when you're going at slow speeds, it gets kind of this like wobbly, staggered kind of effect. Plus this is also up in the middle, kind of where your knuckles are, which can be a little more annoying. They're both good hand pieces. There's another one that I haven't tried, and that is I think it has a lever release on it. That one's supposedly pretty nice too, but I don't think it's as accurate and as true as the number 10. So that's the number 10. Definitely a very cool hand piece, and very, very solid. So if you're using 3/32, this is by far the highest quality handpiece.